That nosy neighbor when you're moving.
Oh yeah, you ready for that party this weekend? It's about to be live. I think I'm gonna buy him a bottle because it's like his 50th birthday or something, so. My neighbor is like creeping up on me. Let me go take my butt in the house. I'll let you in a little bit.
Yeah, I don't know what her problem is. Lord, I hope she don't come inside.
Yes, because this is the important stuff. Ooh, okay. Oh, this sparkling grape juice. I know I'm gonna give that to old boy for his birthday party.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Hey,
I see the boxes. What's going on in here?
Oh, okay, well, come on in.
What's going on?
I am moving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, it looks so different from the last time.
Yeah, we've done a lot of renovations. They are. Let me show you around. So obviously, because you're in the house. Okay, so we got new hardwood floors we just put in.
I like that.
And then you remember there was a wall here, so we knocked
Right.
that down. And here we did like the new all stainless steel, right?
Ooh.
And this is like the one that you can't do.
Are you
Yes,
leaving
I'm
this?
taking no, don't touch my
Girl,
things.
this is-
Don't touch my things, please.
This is fancy. What you doing for work,
Right,
girl?
don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Ella, bite. Okay, come on. So yeah, this used to be like our little cave thing. We had the pool table and stuff in here, but we pretty much packed this room up already.
I'm so sorry for your team.
So like the rest of the house is pretty much, you know, kind of the same floor plan. We just did little upgrades here, so you can check out the bathroom.
Oh wow, look at that. That's nice. I can see myself in here.
Could you now?
Yes. Ooh, this is nice. Girl, you fancy. This is nice.
So we got a couple of bedrooms back here, and then let me show you our master because that's like the next room.
Okay, no little bathroom, little hidden bathroom.
Yeah.
Ooh, this give me hotel vibes. I could stay here. No Airbnb.
You shouldn't, but I think it's time for you to go.
Oh no.
Yeah, I've got to finish packing and stuff, so it was
I
really
mean,
nice for you to come
yes.
over. Yeah, let's go ahead and head back. So it's nice for you to go. I'll talk to you soon. Jesus, have a good day.
Get the f out of here!
I need that bottle now. Jesus. So if you're a crazy neighbor like Karen here and you'd like to check out this property, hit me up. We're located in Chesapeake, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, and as you can see, beautifully updated. Talk to you soon.
Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road.